We'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Mi Home app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on additional settings. You just click on it. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click on notification settings. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on system notifications. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to notifications on the notification bar. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color here, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do to disable it on your Mi Home app. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.